Friends, today I will show you one experiment related to ice magic. For this we need some materials like salt, water, one glass, string and one ice cube. So now we will see how this magic will work. So now put this ice cube in this water. Now place this string on this ice cube. Slowly you put that string on the ice cube. Now spread some salt. Now you can wait for some 30-35 seconds and then you can see the magic. Now we will try to pull this string at upside. Now you can see this magic. See this. So regarding this experiment, you can ask to your science teacher that how these things happen. So thank you.